Ketosis Advanced, the best fat-burning weight loss program. The most talked about weight loss product is finally here. Ketosis Advanced is a powerful fat-burning weight loss program with a scientifically formulated BHB supplement to help support your instant fat-burning program. Beta-hydroxybutyrate is the first substrate that kicks the metabolic state of ketosis advanced into action. If you take it, BHB is able to start processing in your body, resulting in support for success. This advanced ketosis BHB supplement is a revolutionary breakthrough with the media in a frenzy. This is the very best of the keto diet and has no competitors. If you want to lose weight by eating delicious food, then Ketosis Advanced with BHB is for you, as it gives you appetite control too. Ketosis Advanced is a comprehensive formula designed to help you get into and stay in ketosis. It uses the latest advancements in science and natural ingredients to help your body naturally become more efficient at burning fat for energy, giving you what you need to transform your diet and improve your body in just 30 days. To order, please check the link in the description box. What do you get? The 30-day Ketosis Advanced Supplement and Diet Guide that is sweeping the nation. Ketosis Advanced Energy Ketones puts your body in ketosis. Ketosis Advanced is a supplement and keto diet program that allows the body to begin converting into a state of ketosis. Featuring a special blend of ingredients, Ketosis Advanced is a safe and simple way to support a ketosis diet. The Ketosis Advanced supplement contains beta-hydroxybutyrate. BHB supports the metabolic state and supports ketosis into action. Revisiting the scenario from before, if you either take supplemental forms or if your body is making beta-hydroxybutyrate, it is able to start processing in your body. Beta-hydroxybutyrate floats around in your blood, and importantly, can cross different important barriers to be able to be turned into energy at all times. One of the most important areas where this happens is in the brain. The blood-brain barrier, BBB, is usually a very tightly regulated interface, but since BHB is such a rock star and so hydrophilic, your brain knows to let it in so it can support energy. This is one of the main reasons why increased BHB levels can lead to heightened mental acuity. Get slim, healthy, and confident again with our unique Ketosis Advanced program. Ideal for both men and women, Ketosis Advanced is a dynamic and powerful ketosis dietary program that will assist weight loss, promote abdominal fat burn, and support better digestion and sleep. The Ketosis Advanced program supports weight loss, burning fat in trouble areas, getting into ketosis fast, burning fat for energy without the jitters, better brain health, maintaining lean muscle. How to use Ketosis Advanced. The Ketosis Advanced program is a one-of-a-kind ketosis system designed to help you lose weight and feel amazing. Ketosis Advanced is a supplement and diet program that allows the body to begin converting into a state of nutritional ketosis. Featuring a special blend of ingredients, Ketosis Advanced is a safe and simple way to achieve ketosis. Ketosis Advanced is extremely easy to use and experiences fast weight loss results with. Take 2 Ketosis Advanced capsules daily with water. Eat keto-friendly meals and snacks throughout the day. Enjoy improved energy and focus while our body uses fat for energy. Eating keto-friendly. When you order your first shipment of Ketosis Advanced, you'll also receive our results-based online fitness program and ketosis diet guide. This information is exclusively for Ketosis Advanced customers and is not available to the general public. Tips for success. Before you begin, you are encouraged to take a before, photo and an inventory of your body measurements, energy level, mental clarity, and overall sense of well-being so you can track your results. It's also wise to get plenty of rest and consult your healthcare professional before starting any health program. Once you are in a state of nutritional ketosis, staying in ketosis is as simple as maintaining a keto-friendly diet, doing plenty of exercises, and enjoying all the benefits Ketosis Advanced has to offer. Don't worry. It's okay to spring for dessert or splurge at the buffet at your next family gathering. Ketosis Advanced is always there for you when you need it. For more information, please check the description box, the link is there. And subscribe to our channel for more videos.